What is going on? Ted with Grub and Gravel. Listen, today we are going to be talking about a little bit of camp lighting. The gang over at Xynover sent me a package that had 3 different kinds of lights in it. We're going to start off with the simple stuff. Now, you recognize lanterns like this. You can pick these up almost everywhere, those hardware stores. This one's got a little bit of a twist on it, though. So, the ones you can buy usually have 3 AAA batteries in the bottom. So one's this. So that's going to give you, like about 3,000 milliamp hours. Not only that, this one has a very small, probably a 2-watt solar panel and a 3,000 milliamp battery inside here. Now, that is going to run this right here, which is a 100 lumen camping light. Nice and soft white. Now, the battery's down here, about 3,000 milliamps. We'll run this about 12, 15 hours. With the addition, like I said, of the 3,000 milliamps up top and the solar panel, you're going to get about 12 to 15 hours out of the top. So you're looking probably 30 hours of camping. The deal with these, though, is magnetic on the bottom. You've got your handles can come together in case you need to hook it to anything like that. Hang it up in a tent, stick it to the side of your truck, something like that. But not only that, there's another hook on the bottom. These are chargeable with a USB-C. And also, they have a USB-A on the back so that you can charge your phone or charge something else off of the 3,000 milliamp battery that's inside the top of this. That is going to come in a 4-pack. They're going to give you 4 of these lanterns and 4 cables to charge those up. We'll go over something just a little more advanced next before we get to what is definitely going to go into rotation and possibly be my favorite rooftop tent light this summer. All right, so let's take a look at something very similar, but a little more advanced from Xynover. Same company as those last ones. This one's going to be a 4,400 milliamp battery. Same as that last one. It's going to have a USB-A to charge things off of this. It's going to have a USB-C to charge the light itself. No batteries in the bottom of this one. This one does have a nice hook on the top. You got a little handle to carry it around, lantern style. 360 view of the light that's inside of here. And this one also has a solar panel on the top of it. So using it up at night, set it up on some place that's getting good sun exposure during the daytime, and you could recoup a good percentage of what you're going to use overnight just in the daytime by using a little solar power. Now this one right here, let's go through some of the lights. This one's got a little more variety of lights on. So this one is going to have up to 1,000 lumens, which is going to be the dual mode I'm going to show you here in a second. So first click on this one is going to be all white LEDs. And if you hold down the button, it's dimmable. It's a variable. I don't know if that's even making itself out on the camera, but it's dimmable. It's going up and down. All right, so then mode 2 is going to be these soft white light bulbs, which is a little hard to read right now. And the same thing can be said for those. You dim them, they go up and down. And then you have the mode with both the soft white and the daylight bulbs. This is where you're going to get your 1,000 lumens from. And the same with those other ones. It's going to be dimmable. Go through the modes of brightness. And then on top of that, you are going to have a flash mode and an SOS mode. Now this one here is going to have rubber all around the top, all around the bottom. It's going to be extra sturdy, droppable, things like that. And this one's going to be IP44 water resistant, so it's going to be a little more sturdy to bring out, hike with you, bang around, things like that. This one's also going to have a carabiner that's going to pop out from the bottom. And you're going to be able to see that. You're going to be able to clip that to whatever you need. So a lot of versatility, modes. All right, so last but not least, the one, like I said, is most definitely going to be making an appearance in my rooftop tent. With a 20,000 milliamp hour battery. It's going to come with a little charging cable. It is going to come with a remote control. No solar panel on this one, but this one is a fan. So it's got little legs that are going to pop down in here. So you can configure this however you want to set it up. Like a little spider. You want it up tall. However you can think of rotating this thing. it's going to work just like that. Now in the back is going to be same old thing. There's going to be a USB-C for charging this unit, and there is going to be a USB-C-A for plugging something into this and charging that. Like I said, 20,000 milliamp hours off of this one. All right, so we set this into configuration and we can get to the buttons on. Like I said, this rotates nice. Gets any height you want it to. All right, so let's talk about the lighting setup this one now that I have the buttons up on top here. All right, so your main ring of lighting, it's going to do 6 things. It's going to do white daylight. It's going to do dim daylight. It's going to do a soft white, dim soft white, and then this is the combination of the two of them. So this is going to be your max light output here, and then a dimmer version of that. Not only that, so you're going to have 3 modes of the flashlight. So you're going to have a regular flashlight, you're going to have a dim flashlight, and then you're going to have your strobe mode. So that is going to bring us to the fan. So the fan is also going to, same thing, 3 wind speeds. You got your low speed, just a good little breeze. You're going to have, of course, medium speed, and then highest speed. Now down in the slowest mode, you're looking at 28 decibels. So this is going to be something that's going to give you just enough breeze inside, maybe like a rooftop tent, on the table next to you, something like that, without making enough noise to keep you awake at night. Alrighty, so look, whether you're just looking into getting some new lighting or specifically looking into these Xynover products, you need something for camping, possibly emergency situations, things like that. And these look like something you might be able to use or might be interested in. I'm going to leave a link in the description for these products over on Amazon. Check them out. Look at it, read some other reviews, see if this might be right for you. I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all take it easy.